Hello again. My name is Rob Houghton, and I'm president of Houghton Search Group, formerly Management Recruiters of Fairfax. I have a wonderful opportunity right now for an employee benefits account executive or an EB producer. My client is a leading insurance carrier specializing in group health benefits, and here are the bullets. Number one, primary responsibility is taking over the Central Virginia sales territory for a recently retired sales executive. Secondly, the duties are primarily building and maintaining relationships with an existing 50 independent insurance agencies. So experience is required either as a sales producer or as an experienced account executive if you're really good at building relationships. Thirdly, no cold calls. These are all existing relationships. Number four, you're selling through the broker agencies, not retail. Five, salaries up to $115,000 base, but there's a bonus potential of up to $60,000, which has been paid out over the past 5 years consistently. The previous person was making $175,000 a year. Small to mid-market segment, 2 to 150 employee lives. Remote work environment, although you'll be expected to do some traveling in that I-64 corridor between Richmond and Lynchburg to visit the insurance brokerage clients. It's a great firm, it's a great client with a great human-centered work culture. They're growing very rapidly. And I will tell you, this is one of the best searches I've had for a very long time. Again, it's either for a employee benefits producer or an account executive if you're good with those relationships. Again, thank you very much. Please reach out to me directly at rhoughton@houghtonsearch.com. The position description's in the notes, and so is my email. Thanks again.